Hi, Green Room. Let's read the morning message. It says, hi, Green Room. That's what I just said. We have 10 more days of, I ran out of room, so I had to come back down over here. School. We have 10 more days of school. Our school year has been so weird. We were in the green room, and then all of a sudden, we weren't allowed to come to school anymore because of all the germs. So we're ending our school year from our houses. This has been a weird year. We have 10 more morning messages and 10 more days of Zooming together. And then it will be summer, and we'll all start doing something different. To help us get ready for that, let's look at number 1. It says, let's X off days. Do you know how to make an X? We have our Stampin' See screen. I just need one big line. I'm going to use it 2 times though. I'm going to start in the corner on the top and make a line that way and a line that way. Put your fingers up in the air and help me make an X, because we're going to do this in a minute together. Ready? Big line down. Big line down. That's the way you make an X. Are X's easy to make? I think they are. Sometimes they end up a little crooked. You have to try again. We're going to make some X's because we're going to make countdown. Countdown. You know, like when a rocket takes off and you go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to start at 10 though with our countdown. I made a calendar. It starts with 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then hello summer. So this tells us what we're going to do each day. Today we have the morning message, but we don't do small groups. And then Tuesday we'll do morning message and small groups. Wednesday we'll do morning message and 2 different small groups. Thursday we'll do morning message and small groups. Friday we'll just do morning message. And then for our last week of school, we're going to do something special every day. And instead of small groups, everybody can come to the Zoom every day. We're going to have a celebration of being the green room together. On Monday, we're going to dress up. You can either dress up fancy, or you can dress up in a costume, or you can wear whatever you want. But we're going to dance together. We're going to have a little dance. Will that be fun? I think it will be. On Tuesday, we're going to wait till nighttime to meet, and we're going to put our pajamas on, and we're going to have a bedtime snack together and bedtime stories. So we'll do a kind of a pajama party, different than we do at school, but we'll do a bedtime snack and story. And on Wednesday, we're going to do something wacky or weird. We're going to dress up in clothes that don't match, or maybe we'll put our clothes on backwards, or maybe we'll wear a bathing suit on the top and our dress-up pants on the bottom, or maybe we'll wear 2 different color socks. It'll just be wacky. And then we'll show everybody what we're wearing, and we'll also bring a show and tell to group time, to our Zoom time. On Thursday, we're going to wear letters on our shirt. Any shirt you have that has letters on it, we're going to wear letters, and we're going to use those letters to do some yoga together. And on Friday, Miss Emily has been working really hard to put pictures together, and we're going to watch a slideshow of the pictures of everything we've done in Green Room this year. And that'll be our last day in the Green Room, and then we'll get ready for summer. So you can print out one of these at your house, and today we're going to X off number 10, because this is Monday. So we're going to do, whoop, that day's done, and we'll look forward to the next day. And then at the very, very bottom of this, where it says hello summer, it says next I will. What will you do for summer? Talk to your families about what's my plan now? What am I going to do next? Or you might do next I'm going to kindergarten, or I'm going to Young Fives, or some people, there's 2 people that are still 4 and they're coming back to Green Room in the fall. What will you do next? You can write your plan for what you're looking forward to. My plan, in 10 more days, I'm going camping. I'm going on a vacation and I'm going to be traveling all over the place. I'm going to the beach, I'm going to see some mountains. So that's what I'm going to write at the bottom of mine. I'm going to say, next I will go on vacation. That's what I'm going to write. So we're going to start Xing off days, getting ready for summer. Number 2, play a box game. We've used boxes for a lot of different things. I want you to find a box today, and I want you to hide some things in it, and then I want you to ask your family what those things have in common, or how they are the same. So would you like to play with me? I put some things in my box. Okay, here we go. I have a duck, and I have a little Pegasus, a flying unicorn, and I have an airplane. Did you remember what I have? I'll put them on top of my box so you can see them. I have the airplane, I have the duck, and I have the Pegasus. How are they all the same? Are they all animals? No. Do they all have legs? No. Do they all have wings? Can they all fly? Yes! Ooh, I scared you. Oh, my Pegasus fell down. They can all fly. My Pegasus flew away. Should I let my duck fly away? Fly away, duck! Fly away, plane! They flew away. Want to see my other box? Let's see. In this box, I have, ooh, noisy things. I have a monster. And I have a fish. And I have a tree. And I have a truck. Do you remember what I have? I have the truck. Oops. And I have the monster. And I have the tree. And I have the fish. How are these all the same? Are they all animals? No. Do they fly? No. The fish swims. Do they swim? No. Oh, do you know? Are they all green? You're right. I found all green things for my box. I have one more box. Do you think you're getting pretty good at this game? You want to try this? Okay. One more box. I have in this box a cat and a bat and a hat. Okay. A hat, cat, and bat. How are all these things the same? Hat, cat, bat. What? Do they rhyme? They do! I found 3 things that rhyme and put them in my box. So I want you to find a box today and find 3 things or 4 things that have something in common. They're the same in some way. And see if you can find a box game. Can you hear that at the end of box? That's the sound the X makes. Box. Box. X makes a really complicated sound. Box. Is that a hard sound to make? Kind of is. Number 3. You know that word, right? Make a, what number is that? 10 frame. Since we have 10 more days of school, I thought we'd do something with 10 today. So, I took a piece of paper and I folded it in half. one way and the other way, and one way and the other way. This is something that mom or dad or grandma or grandpa or a babysitter might have to help you with, especially if you want to make sure you have 5 sections. Because if you open up 5 sections and you have 5 on this side and 5 on this side, do you know how many you have all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. It's kind of like your hands. If you have 5 on this side and 5 on this side, you have 10, right? So I'm going to decorate mine. Now I have a stamp pad, and somewhere in here I have a stamp. You might have stickers at home. You might want to draw a picture in each of your sections. Let me see if I can put mine up on the board so you can see it a little bit better. I'm going to stamp 1 in each section. Can you see? I could draw lines, but I think I can see where all the sections are. So let's see, I'm going to go 1 sun, 2, oh, don't fall down, 3, 4, 5, ooh, that one didn't work out very well. Ah, the magnet's not very strong. Let's see. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, oh, that one didn't turn out very well at all, did it? Let me see if I can do that one again on the table. Okay, now this is ready for you to play a game. So I'm going to put it down on the table. I'm going to make it nice and flat. Let's see if I can move a little bit closer so you can see my game board. Can you see my game board right there? There you go. And I have pennies. Guess how many pennies I got? 10. I have 10 pennies. And I'm going to play a game called Impossible. I also have some dice. And I'm going to roll the dice. Ooh. I got the number 6. So I get to cover up 6 sunshines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going to roll the dice again. And I got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. I only have 4 spaces left. So I get to say, impossible. And I'm going to roll again. 1. Do I have room for 1 more? Sure I do. Now I have 1, 2, 3 spaces left. So I'm going to roll my dice. I got a 6. I only have, ooh, can you see that? 3 pennies left. Can I put 6 pennies down if I only have 3? No, impossible. Roll again. Guess what I got? 3. So I get to cover them up. 1, 2, 3. And that is how you play Impossible. So whatever you do today, have a great time. We miss you very much. Bye-bye.